In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert footnotes in Google Docs if you're writing a research paper, adding source information, or including extra context without cluttering the main paragraph. Footnotes are a simple and professional way to do it. The good news is that Google Docs makes this process very quick. To get started, open your document and move to the exact spot where you want the footnote number to appear. This is usually at the end of a sentence, right after the word or punctuation mark that relates to the note. Take a moment here to place the cursor carefully because Google Docs will insert the footnote reference exactly where your cursor is located. Once your cursor is in the right place, go to the top menu and click Insert. From there, choose Page Elements and then click Footnote. This tells Google Docs to create a new footnote linked to that point in your document. If you don't see it right away, just follow the menu path slowly and make sure you're selecting Footnote from the Page Elements section. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will automatically insert a small footnote number in the body of your text. At the same time, your cursor will jump down to the bottom of the page. This is helpful because you don't have to scroll down and find the footnote area yourself. Google Docs creates the matching number for you and places you directly where the note should be typed. Now, all you need to do is type your footnote text. This can be a citation, a reference, a brief explanation, or any supporting detail you want readers to see at the bottom of the page instead of in the main text. Keep your footnote clear and concise so it's easy to read. If you're using multiple footnotes in the same document, Google Docs will number them automatically in order, which saves time and helps keep everything organized. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a footnote in Google Docs. It's a small feature, but it can make your document look much more polished and academic. If you need to add more footnotes, just repeat the same process anywhere else in the document. Thanks for watching.